There are people that only eat meat. It's the only thing they have. Let's just say that they have, beef 3 times a day, or they might have eggs and beef 3 times a day, or maybe just simply only beef, or maybe they're mixing it where they can have all sorts of meats, turkeys or fish, or turkey, fish, chicken, beef, bison, elk, you name it, duck. Ooh, duck. That's my favorite. So we're talking about vegan versus carnivore in a way. And we're talking about how do we get to a result? And these people that only eat meat, they say that their inflammation goes down. They say that their body burns a lot of fat a lot better than it used to because of ketones or whatever. They say that they feel stronger and healthier than ever. They feel more limber. They feel faster. Their heads are sharp. Their brains are really, really working. And then just if you go to the complete opposite of somebody who's practicing veganism, that means, I'm sure most of you know, but practicing veganism means you never eat meat. You probably don't even have fish because that's pescatarian. So you don't have any types of meat. You don't have really hardly any omega-3s. You don't have very much protein. It's pretty hard to get a good amount of protein. But somebody who's practicing a vegan diet, they swear by it. They say, I feel healthier. They feel happier. They feel lighter. They feel faster. And they try to say that their cholesterol's better. Their blood markers are better. And that's proof that it's working. And in both cases, here's the problem. Listen carefully. Here's the point that we're making. A strict carnivore diet cuts out a bunch of shit. It cuts out boxed crackers. It cuts out things that are processed. It cuts out a bunch of that crap. And veganism cuts out a lot of the shit too. You can't be a raw vegan and eat potato chips or French fries. You can't be a raw vegan and eat almost anything from a box. So the carnivore diet and the vegan diet are opposites. A carnivore, literally, if somebody says I'm 100% carnivore, it means I never eat vegetables or fruit. And if somebody who eats only vegetables and fruit, obviously they never eat meat. But here's the thing that's interesting. Listen carefully. In both cases, they swear by their diet. In both cases, they get results. So what's the difference? I've mentioned it before, and it happened to be in the teaser today, in the first part that you heard. A vegan and a carnivore, neither of them are eating the crap. Neither of them are eating the stuff that's terrible for them, the stuff in a box.